This video on the FARGO HDP6600 demonstrates how to set up the card printer. Here, the HDP6600 driver setup.exe file has already been copied to the PC's desktop. Double-click the file to install the driver. Select the desired language and click Next. Click Next. Read the license agreement and select I accept. Click Next. Choose how the printer will be connected to the PC. If connecting across an Ethernet network, select Network Connection and enter the printer's IP address. For this demonstration, a local USB connection will be used. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next again. The driver software will now be installed on the PC. At this stage, the printer should be connected to the PC using a USB cable. Connect the USB cable to the printer. Switch on the printer. Setup will now install the USB driver files and establish communication with the printer. Click Finish to complete the installation process. To verify the connection to the printer, click Start and begin typing Printer. Select Printers and Scanners. Select the HDP6600 card printer. Click Manage. Printer status idle confirms that the connection between the printer and the PC has been established. Select Printing Preferences. Click the Advanced Menu tab. The printer serial number, firmware, and card count values also confirm a successful connection. To see more videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.